Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up a MineCordBot, which is the plugin that I made. First of all, you want to visit this page, which is the MineCordBot page, the plugin page for MineCordBot, and then click download. And then this would download the jar file for the plugin. And after that's done checking it, you would want to drag this jar file on your desktop so it's going to be accessible. Now after that, let's go visit this installation page. And then it says right here that first let's make a Discord bot. So to do that, let's visit the developer page. So you see right here, this is a link of Discord. So if you click that, it would redirect us to Discord. And then it says right, and then as you can see right here, my apps. So you want to click that. And then if you're not already logged in, it would ask you to log in with your Discord account. So you can use whatever Discord account you want. You don't need to make a new one. So after that, after you log in, click New App, and then complete this form. So for this one, I'm just gonna name it Tutorial, and I'm not gonna give a description. I'm not gonna give it an icon either. So I'm just gonna go ahead and create app. And then now it says right here, great success. So you've made an application. So what you want to do next is click create bot user. So after that, click yes, do it. And after that, it will show you a username for that bot and then a token. So right here is a token. And then we'll just leave this here for now. And then you actually wanna copy this and then open it in the new page. And I actually want to go back to that installation page that we just left. And it says right here, now it says right here, add the bot to your Discord server. So to do that, you want to copy this link right here. And then for some reason, Bucket puts this ending right here at the ends, so that you would want to delete that. And then delete this too. And make sure that you don't delete the end symbol or the ampersand. And then you see right here bot ID. So let's go back to that developer page for the bot. And then this is the bot ID right here. So you want to copy that. And then paste it to this bot ID. And then press enter. And then if you press enter, it should ask you to log in if you're not already logged in. So if that says so, you just log in and then it will redirect you to this page. So now if you're here, you have a drop down menu here, and then just click that, and then it would list down all the players or all the servers that you own or have admin rights to. In this case, I'm gonna put Tutorial Bot in the test server. So after that, I'm just gonna click authorize, and it says authorized. So if I go to Discord right now, and then here my test server, if I go down, see right here, the Tutorial Bot is here. So after that's done, let's go back to the installation page. It says right here, installing MineCordBot. So at this point, it kind of gets confusing because there's different ways to host the server. But I have a server here that I'm gonna host locally with my computer. It's just a tutorial server or a test server for this tutorial. So now what I want to do is I have this plugin, and I just want to drop it to the plugin folder of the server. So I'll move that over there, and then click back, and I have my runner for the plugin, and then I just want to click run or start the server, and then this would generate config files for MineCordBot. So bstats is for the metrics, and updater is for the updater for MineCordBot. So after that, what you want to do is go in here, and then you see this language folder, which is the localization for the bot. And then now we want to edit this. So I'm going to use Sublime Text to edit this, or I can just use Notepad. But in this case, I'm going to use Sublime Text. So here, Sublime Text. And then initially, the config file will have comments here. But after you reload your, after a while, all of these comments will be gone. So it tells you right here what you want to do, but in this case we're going to go to the config page on the MineCordBot so that we would know more information about it. So it says right here config version. So the current config version did not change, so that means you don't change this. Now right here, bot token. So basically, bot token is the token for the bot that we just made. And to see your bot token, you just go to this Discord page app, and then click token, and then it will show you the token here. So you can just copy this, and then paste it here. And then make sure that you don't delete the apostrophe. And then make sure that the token is inside or enclosed by an apostrophe. So after that, client ID, which is the bot ID, which is right here. So you can copy client ID, and then place it here. Paste that, and then this is the owner ID. So you can just get the IDs on the Discord app. So to do that, there's an easy way to do that. So here, you right click, and then it says copy ID, but by default it's not there. So what you want to do is enable that feature. So go to settings, and then go to appearance, and then toggle this developer mode. And then once you toggle that, every time you right click, you see this copy ID. So since I'm the owner of this server, I'm going to copy my ID and then paste it over here. And just make sure that it's your ID. Now trigger is the prefix or the set of strings that triggers the command for the plugin. So basically all the text that starts with a comma in this case will be a MineCordBot command. That's basically it. So I'm just gonna leave it with a comma by default because I prefer comma since it's easy to type. And now right here, auto delete command response is basically what it does is it auto deletes the responses of the bot. So if you were to say, or if you were to execute the help command, it would return something, and then that statement by the bot would be deleted after a while. That's basically it. And then for auto update, this is just auto update feature for the bot. So I'm just gonna leave it to false because I sometimes use a higher version of the MineCordBot or the plugin so that I don't really need auto update. Now right here, language is basically the localization for your bot. So I'm just gonna leave it to English since I prefer English. Now right here, text channels. So for the text channel, you want to copy the text channel ID of the text channel that you want to bind Minecraft with. In this case, I want to bind Minecraft with MC Relay, so that messages for Minecraft and events for Minecraft would relay to Discord. As you see right here, I recently joined my server, and it shows me right here. And then if I type something, it shows you right here too. So I'm just going to copy the ID for this text channel and then put it right here. So paste that, and then you can just, and then the default one, so you can delete it or you can just leave it. In this case, I'm gonna delete it because it looks cleaner. And then for the permissions, it's basically the permission levels. So permission level 1 is like moderators. Permission level 2 is like admins. And permission level 3 is like co-owner, or like people that you very, very trust. And then by default, all users have a permission level 0, which is not here, because you wouldn't want to put a lot of users under that level 0. So message prefix Discord. So basically, this is the prefix that you'll be seeing in Discord. So this one right here, Minecraft. And if you want to actually, this is a fully customizable prefix. So if you want to put the username here, the player name, what you want to do is put the curly braces and then put sender. So that this would be replaced by the name of the sender. Also, it's the same case with prefix Minecraft. So I'm just going to say sender. So I will say Minecraft and then my name, and then Discord and then my name. And now here, the broadcasts. So right here, this is basically a toggle so that you can enable or disable broadcast here. So you see right here, it broadcasted that I died, and then it broadcasted that I joined the game and left the game. So for if you don't want people to, if you don't want the plugin to broadcast death events, you can just toggle this and make this false. And then join event, and then it's the same with this different one. And then with this one, hide user with incognito perm, is basically it hides all the user with the permission MineCordBot incognito, so that every time they join the game, it won't be sent to Discord. It will just leave it. It will just ignore that it joined the game and not let anyone know that they joined the game. And that's basically it for the config file. So you click save. So after you save that, we can just go back to our server, click restart, so that right now it would restart and it would load again. It says right here, login to enabling MineCordBot, login successful. So now we've successfully initialized or set up a MineCordBot. So, and then we can try that right now. So if you say ping, you see it returned Pong, because the bot is already set up. And then this is our trigger right here. And then if you want to do help, it will show you all the commands for it. And then I want to try it out if it actually works. So let me just launch my Minecraft. Multiplayer. And let's join this test server right here. So every time I join, you see MC Relay. It said I joined the game. Let's type something. Let's say hi. It says right here hi. And then let's reply to it hello. And it says right here hello. And then as you remember, we set the prefix to be Discord and then the sender. See, it changed the sender to the actual sender, right? And then that's basically it. You have MineCordBot all set up now. Thanks for watching, guys.